Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for January 30th, 2018. For your Tuesday, we're going to have some light snow and snow showers across mainly eastern Pennsylvania today. We're going to have some snow showers that move through from the overnight period. They're going to set up along an inverted trough axis, and this is going to be right along central New York down through eastern Pennsylvania. So we are going to get some light snow with this and some accumulating snow. The highest amounts will be up here in across the Poconos, and then it'll start to work down a little bit as you head further south and east along that inverted trough. So it won't be as much down here in, say, the Philadelphia metro as it will be in Allentown, or as it is even up here in the Poconos. So we expect a gradual step up in there from, coating to 1 inch amounts to 1 to 2 to about 2 to 3 up in this area. So let's get over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar, and I'm going to move this forward so you can see this. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, and you can see one little batch of snow. This is unrelated. This is for that coastal system that's offshore. Could have a few snow showers associated with this. But you can see the temperatures, the 32-degree line, still well up to the north here. So this is probably not accumulating on most surfaces. You could have some areas that are cold enough that could get a few grassy accumulations with this, but very minor. So this is not the main system. This out here to the west is what we're watching moving eastward. So by the time we get to 4 o'clock in the morning, it should start snowing across our far western parts of our coverage area, and this is going to continue eastward, and then you can see this trough axis setting up here. This is going to make its way over to eastern Pennsylvania. It's going to set up on a line kind of like this. Okay, it's going to be like in a northwest to southeast line, and it's going to hang out there for a couple hours. And you can see that right here. Here's a look at 9 a.m. It's getting over to at least the western portion of the Lehigh Valley and just west of the Philadelphia area here at this point. And that's just going to kind of sit there for a couple of hours and just dump snow. I don't want to say dump in the sense that it's going to be a lot, because again, we're talking about most of these areas here outside of this area right here. This whole area down here is all coating to 1 inch. This is all your 1 to 2 inch area. Then we even have a 2 to 3 inch area up in this area right here. So this is going to be 1 to 2 inside here, and inside that band, and then outside of it is just a coating to 1 inch. So it's whoever's going to be under that inverted trough where the highest instability is. That's who sees the accumulating snow. Just minor stuff today. Again, 1 to 3 inches in that heavier band. Depending on where you are, the highest amounts are going to be across the Poconos. Not a real big deal today, but this is yet another nuisance event. Get used to these, folks. This is going to be the norm over the next couple of weeks. We're not going to see anything significant, it doesn't look like, unless it's one of those oops surprises that's turned a little bit nastier than we thought. But for the general rule, over the next couple of weeks, there are going to be a lot of these little nuisance events. They will add up, but you're going to have a lot of these 1 inch, 2 inch type things to deal with over the next 2 weeks. It's not until we get past just before Valentine's Day onward that we get into a potential period where we could see something a little bit more significant. But here's the mid-afternoon, and this is what it's looking like, where it's just dwindling down, and the effect of the upper level trough is going away. So there's just some residual snow showers and flurries at this point moving away. Again, this isn't a big deal today. You can go on our weather alerts page, you can see the breakdown as I just described, but this is just going to move away pretty quickly and just leave behind minor snow amounts in its wake. Then we get to head to Wednesday. Wednesday is a partly cloudy day. We expect cold conditions to remain, and then we're going to get into a little bit milder conditions on Thursday. Clouds are going to increase Wednesday night and Thursday, and then we could have a few rain/snow showers come in during the afternoon that are going to change to snow showers as this front associated with it moves to the southeast. So you're going to have kind of light rain showers going over to light snow showers. This also does not look like a big deal. Earlier in the week, we were talking about maybe low pressure forming along this boundary and moving northeastward and enhancing some of that precipitation. That's still possible, but not really largely shown. So you see the area low pressure actually forms up here as it passes, so you're really not left with too much in its wake. So this is in the pre-dawn hours on Friday morning. You do have some snow showers here in this portion in the interior northwest of 95, but these are just light nuisance kind of things that you're dealing with. Then we get another break here on Saturday with high pressure moving in and a nice day, cold day, but nice nonetheless. And then we have another system that's going to bring another cold front through the region, and this is going to be on Sunday. Could be a few rain/snow showers with this also. Again, just very light. This is the lightest scale of gray, so this probably doesn't even require a map as it stands right now. This is very light, coating to 1 inch type stuff again on Super Bowl Sunday, and that's it. After that point, we clear out here for Monday, and we return to partly cloudy skies as this system moves offshore. This is going to turn into a bigger system offshore, but that's not anywhere affecting our coverage area. So a couple nuisance events this week. I think that's going to be the theme again going next week also. So we're going to be dealing with this for a while. If your thing is the bigger storms, you're going to have to wait for that, we think. But you will have these nuisance variety systems to deal with in the meantime. And again, where that inverted trough sets up today, we are going to have some periods of moderate snowfall under this inverted trough. Again, it's going to extend, kind of sit over eastern Pennsylvania, and just give you snowfall on a northwest to southeast axis over the same areas, it looks like. But again, it's going to be here's your 2 to 3 inch area is going to be up here. Your 1 to 2 inch area is going to be in the middle, and your coating to 1 inch area is down here and all around it. So not really a lot of snow to deal with today, but a nuisance nonetheless. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for January 30th, 2018. Have a great Tuesday.